Hey guys, welcome to MESArc. I'm Cici.
I'm Mazzy.
And today we are bringing you our DIY or do-it-yourself truck shell. We had a blast making this. It was a really fun project to kind of get out and to design, and we're really stoked how this came out.
Honestly, we just didn't want to spend $50 every time we broke a shell, so we made our own, and we made it adjustable for each size of our car, so we can put it on anything we have, and we put it through some tests to see what we really got here. So go check it out.
As you can see, we did some crazy things. So we did off-road, we did jumps. We also flipped it, but it wasn't so much in my favor, but Maz's held up great.
So it really kind of depends on what you do with it, but some suggestions to help it hold together better is maybe to cover it in some laminate or something to help it hold together and keep the pieces on, or maybe even taking these wooden pieces that we used, and you can replace them with plastic or something that'll hold up a little bit better, like a credit card, or you could 3D print something, and it really helps.
So you know what to do. Download is in the description below. Like, subscribe. Keep driving. See you later.